GoPro. Good morning, guys. I'm right here in a small town in Jamaica. It's called Negril, and I want to show you an Airbnb where me and my friend were staying. But before then, let's have some tea. Okay. Always remember, you can get a heavy discount. I don't know if my hair. I just took a shower, so I tied my hair up. Maybe I should untie it. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. I'm supposed to. I'm fixing this. This house has a lot of touch, and let me open this door. Wow, so natural right here. You see that? Yeah, super natural. So we're gonna make some tea. At least start our day. You know, I was born in Kenya, Africa, and we always use tea there because of the British colonization, you know. So I'm fixing glass here. Fixing that. And that's okay. Okay. So there are two options. We have this right here, and yeah, the other one here. So let's see what to deal with. Let me put this one here. Okay. Boom. Right there, we got it. Go down 6. Some spoon. This is a fork. Mix it. I don't think they provide sugar here. I think it's not so important. Yeah, so this is officially living the dream. Please remember, you can have a very heavy discount, I mean big discount, when you go to the link below and search for the Airbnb. Use my link to download the app. The first time you use this application, they'll give you up to from 40 to 60 or 75 dollars for free, and you can stay in a free house like the one we're staying here. Okay, and you enjoy your stay. Also, as I make this video, I have to say, in Montego Bay, the best place to stay is Diamond Villa, which I'll be putting the link below here. It's actually one of the best places I've ever stayed in my entire travels. I mean, worldwide. Especially the hosts were so good, and the place was so cool, silent, had a swimming pool, all types of bed. It can accommodate up to 40 people, so you don't have to say, oh Maro, I'm traveling with my family, is that place safer for me to go, you know? Yeah, so this is my life here in Jamaica. I'm trying to look for thumbnail, maybe put some more lights. Let me see if I can put some lights here. The house is so good, like you feel you don't want to spoil anything. Turning the lights on. Lights are so came from the sea. Look what he caught. Damn. Can see this? So much. I wonder how he catches them because fish can.
Spear gun.
Oh, he has a gun?
Yes, you gotta go long gun.
Oh.
Spear fish.
Oh, so this could be a gun chop, right?
No, that's where he cut his belly, take all this stuff,
Oh, wow.
clean him up.
Yeah, hey, I think this is a huge catch for him.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So the other guy also is a fisherman right there.
No, that's like a buoy. Like you got a rope tied on the rocks.
Yeah.
That the boat comes and pitch around.
Oh, so that's not a person right there. Okay.
One is a breakfast with his calling.
Okay.
Eating breakfast.
Okay. Yeah, big fish. Yeah, that's how do you catch them, man? Oh, you have a gun?
Yeah, the one is back there. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it. Wow, that's the guy.
See right there, man. Look.
Okay. I'm gonna put this. I was flying the drone.
See right there, bad boy.
Okay, let me see. Wow. Oh, dang. Hey, you see that? That's the gun.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Oh, it has a trigger right here.
Yeah, man.
Hey, wow. Okay.
How good.
So it means you can, after it goes, maybe, does it sink or you can pick it before it goes
No, I
down?
pull it back. I have a string on it here.
Okay. Okay.
And if it's sink, I'll just go for it, man.
Oh.
No problem.
Okay. Let's have
80
some
feet
breakfast.
to 100 feet, no problem. Freestyle.
Okay. So this is breakfast right here. This is really amazing. This was made by Indian Jamaican guy. Wow. Yeah, wow, man. This is. Let's just deal with it. You know. So this is Negril, guys. If you're coming here, I'll recommend you to always check Airbnb. Is one of the best way. This breakfast is like $5, right?
I think less.
Less than $5. Wow, imagine. Less than $5. Okay guys, let's have breakfast. I don't know if she wanna say hello to the camera, but I think she's camera shy. That guy is so happy because he got a very big catch. Big fish. He's so happy, like that's the positive vibe, you know, when you win, you feel like wow. Yeah, there's enough. Some wave. What's up, guys? We're in a place called Negril. It's in Jamaica. The water is as blue as you see it, man. I'm not a good swimmer, but I want to jump there. She's really a good swimmer behind me. And let's do this. So fresh. I think that's okay.
We're at a place called Negril.
And they have things like that, as you see. The water is really clean, as you can tell. And I'm right here. There's a natural jacuzzi. Let me show you this one. It's a natural jacuzzi. So you can either sit here and just wait for the water to, you know, or you see how it is. Yeah, it's very natural. Wow, you see that? Yeah. Jamaica, man, they have really, really beautiful coasts and beaches all around the island. Yeah. And it goes that way, as you see. We have some people coming, glass bottom. It's so beautiful here, man. So we saw some fish here. Let me show you. See right there, right there, there's a fish. I don't know if you can see it. Whew. Wait. So guys, I'm in a natural jacuzzi. You can feel the waves and the water. So this place looks like this. You see? So the water really drops high. I'm putting my legs like this because they are small fish. Wow. Yeah, they are small fish. And some spikes. So that's why. But this is really a dream come true, man. This place is called Negril. So it hits, slows, then hits. You know? See that? Maybe like this you could see. Come on! Yeah, I caught it. Now I show that. Yeah. Wow, man. So natural. Very natural.
Looks a little boy.
Where is he? Oh! I wish I had, the drone would have taken him. He's a crazy guy. Look. And you know there's a big dog right there nearly to catch him. So I wanted to fly my drone, like the precious time. But guess what? It stopped working. The port says it has water on my phone, so I have to keep it dry. But you can see people swimming like right there. These are all tourists. There's a hole right here. They're swimming towards it. Yeah, looks nice. Negril.